Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to set up fingerprint on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just go to the settings app. From here, search fingerprint, tap on fingerprint unlock. And from here, tap on fingerprint unlock. And from here, just set a screen lock. I will select pin, tap on got it. And from here, just enter a 4 to 16 digit number. Just like that. Tap on continue. Now tap the pin again to confirm it. Now tap on OK. Tap on got it. And on my device, the fingerprint sensor is under the display. On your device, it might be on the power button or at the back of your smartphone. Just press on the fingerprint sensor and lift your finger when you feel the vibration. Now just press again. And now it is asking you if you want to add your face unlock. We will select cancel, tap on done. And now this is how you can set up your fingerprint on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.